Are you trying to find the best platform for freelancers? Today, we'll compare Toptal and Upwork to help you decide which one suits your needs. Both Toptal and Upwork connect clients with freelancers. They offer a range of services from software development to design, but they have different approaches and features. Let's start with Toptal. This platform focuses on connecting clients with top tier freelancers. They have a strict selection process, ensuring only the best talent is available. Toptal is known for high quality work and fast project delivery. However, it mainly targets larger projects and companies. Now, let's look at Upwork. This platform is more flexible and caters to a wide variety of clients and freelancers. Anyone can sign up and start offering their services. Upwork has many categories from writing to graphic design. It's great for smaller projects and offers a wider range of talent. So, what are the main differences? Toptal is all about quality and elite freelancers, while Upwork focuses on variety and accessibility. If you want top notch talent, Toptal is the way to go. But if you're looking for a broader selection and more budget friendly options, Upwork might be better for you. When it comes to features, Toptal offers a personalized matching service, while Upwork provides a user friendly interface and various tools for project management. Both have their strengths depending on what you need. In terms of pricing, Toptal tends to be on the higher end, reflecting the quality of work. Upwork has a range of pricing options, making it easier for clients with different budgets. In conclusion, if you need premium talent for a big project, choose Toptal. If you want flexibility and a variety of freelancers, Upwork is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.